Hey guys, it's me again with another Canva tutorial, and for today's video I'll teach you how to create an animated gradient text in Canva. So first of all, we just go to your Canva homepage and press create. Then we can find the suitable file format that will match your presentation or your file format. Then for me to be a YouTube thumbnail, then here we can do some tweaks. So first of all, we're gonna go to applications and search for type gradient. So gonna search type gradient here. Then you can see this first application on the left. So here that we can see a lot of gradient colors here. So we can just customize this gradient colors to multiple colors like this one. We can change it to any color you want from the color the rainbow spectrum. So I'm gonna choose blue, or maybe something more tropical for this one. Here maybe I cannot change it to bits of darker blues or white, gray or black, anything you want. So just press add to design, but you cannot change it here. Say gradient text design. Say we have that wordings there, so just press add to design. Upon adding the design, we can edit the fonts here as well, but I will just press animate since our video is about how to create animated text. So we can check what type of animation. For me, I'll choose wipe. Then the background for me, maybe the background would be black, so it's better. There we go. Then it will look like something like this. So we can just minimize the speed. There we go. Gradient text design, and we can see that it's animated as well. You can choose some different animations as well. And just press share and download as MP4 for the video file format, so you can see the animations, because PNG will just be a high quality image. So that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the YouTube channel and hit the bell button.